Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP tip 46. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can use field symbols for processing internal tables in ABAP. Here right now we are in the built-in ABAP editor in the transaction SEAT, and I have already created a sample program to select data from the demo table SPFLI and then outputting the selected data of the internal table, doing a sort, outputting once again, doing a sort once again, and outputting once again. And imagine that for some reasons, based on conditions, you would like to change the data on the internal tables after selecting. So therefore within here, to show you this, so let's make an example for the second loop. You have and make just examples. City 2 would be, for example, Munich in Germany, and then to change the value of the internal table, you have to use the modify statement, then specifying the internal table, and then from, and then the structure. So, and then you have modified it. So let's make a syntax check. It's perfectly fine. Let's activate this and let's see the result. So here we can see on the second loop, everything is Munich, and on the third loop, it's still Munich. Why it's still Munich? Because based on the modify statement, I have changed the internal table, and afterwards I'm just sorting it and using the same internal table, and therefore the city 2 is already changed. But as we can see, we have to use the modify statement. And to easier not to use the modify statement, you can use field symbols. And to use field symbols, you have to use loop add, then the internal table, and then using assigning, and then field symbol, and in parentheses, you have to define the field symbol as a naming convention. I always start with FS underscore, for example, SPFLI. And then in here you can specify also the fields of the field symbol by using the field symbol name, then minus, and then the field name. So this works perfectly fine. And within here we can also change this. So let's make a syntax check. Let's activate this. And let's show what the result is, and the result is still the same. So have a closer look on field symbols, they can be quite useful. And if you have any questions left, then please put them in the comment section. Please like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to not miss great upcoming videos. There's still 54 great videos left about ABAP tips and tricks. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.